Let me ask you something honestly. When was the first time you were taught how money really works? Was it in school, in college, or after making costly mistakes? Most of us learned about money the hard way: overspending, poor financial decisions, starting investments too late. And today, our children are growing up in a world that is even more financially complex. Digital payments, instant shopping, lifestyle pressure everywhere. They are just making money decisions every single day. But do they have the understanding of money? Hi, I'm Kirti Runta. I'm the founder of Pocket Money and a mother of two teens. As a parent, I realized something deeply uncomfortable. If I don't intentionally teach my children about money, the world will teach them through mistakes. And that is exactly why I created the Money Smart Kids course. Children are already choosing what to buy, spending pocket money, influencing family purchases, but no one is teaching them how to think about how to build assets, how to make smarter buying choices, how to grow money instead of just using it, and how to pause before spending. And the truth is, financial confidence is not built at 25, it is built in childhood. If we delay this education, habits form without direction. So, what is the solution? Well, Money Smart Kids course is not just about few recorded videos being thrown at you. It is an action based ecosystem. Inside this membership, your child will learn to make smarter money choices, start building simple asset streams early, take their first confident steps into investing, and develop a strong, disciplined money mindset. So, we don't just teach concepts, but we actually make them do stuff so that the concepts go deep in, and they actually bring them in action, because the knowledge without action doesn't change behavior. Only action can change a child's behavior. And when motivated kids grow together, they push each other to rise higher. So I urge you to register your child today itself for this course, because there will be live classes where a child will be accountable for whatever actions they have taken. We will meet to discuss finance based news every week, so that child is updated about what's happening around. There will be tests so that we understand how a child has understood a particular concept, and by the end of this course a child will get a certification of completion. So I request you to kindly kickstart your child's financial education, because that is the need of the hour.